Wow, Zeekers, are you thinking about stepping up your eBay game? Wondering if subscribing to an eBay store is worth the investment? Also, are you asking yourself what is the cost for each store, or if you really need an eBay store in the first place? Well, don't you worry, you're in the right place to figure that out. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about eBay stores plan. From understanding the different subscription levels to discovering the hidden benefits, and will also help you out with some calculations. This way you will understand which one fits your needs best. Now, let me just give you what are our possibilities when choosing a store. Now, in this case, eBay provides us with 6 options, which are no store subscription at all, starter, basic, premium, anchor, and enterprise. So let's go through every single one of them and figure out what benefits each of them are offering for our stores. Now, first, let me start off with an important note. eBay charges 2 main types of selling fees. First, there's an insertion fee when you create a listing. And second, a final value fee once your item sells. This is where having an eBay store subscription can make a big difference. With a store subscription, you can significantly reduce these fees based on your seller level and the volume of products you list in your eBay store. So let's go ahead and first talk about the no store subscription. Let's take a look at some analytics if you do not have a store subscription. Now, in this case, you won't have access to a personalized storefront or some of eBay's selling tools, but you can still list items at fixed prices or auction-style listings. Now, this option is ideal for those who sell items occasionally and aren't yet ready to commit to the recurring fees of a store subscription. Not having an eBay subscription has 2 main pros. First, you won't have to pay a monthly subscription, and second, eBay already provides you with some free listings each month. It actually can go up to 250 listings a month, and this will help you get on your feet. However, there are some drawbacks to not having a store subscription, essentially for those who are increasing the number of products in their eBay seller account. And these are the main cons. So you have higher final value and insertion fees. Then you have limited free listings, which is up to 250. And then no branded storefront, lack of seller tools and insights, lower visibility for promotions and discounts. But if you're watching this video, you're already kind of understanding where it's going. So if you are committed to selling on eBay and want to grow, a non-store subscription would be great just for you to try it without any commitment. But if you are taking this seriously, you will need a subscription. So on that note, let's take a look at the first plan eBay offers. It's called the starter plan. Compared to non-subscribers, starter store sellers pay lower final value fees on sales. Now, this can make a noticeable difference if you're making consistent sales each month. Now, the starter plan is ideal for new or casual sellers who list fewer items each month and are looking to establish a presence without a large upfront investment. It's also a good choice if you're primarily selling fixed price items and don't require advanced support or additional tools like promoted listings, which really is fundamental. It does already give you a chance to have a more professional store with a storefront where you can insert a store banner, but it's still very minimalistic in terms of customization compared to other subscriptions. In summary, the starter plan is an affordable way to start selling with a professional storefront and reduces fees. But it's best suited to lower volume sellers looking to experiment or grow slowly on eBay. Let's take a look at some pricing and calculations. So as we can see, the price for the starter store subscription is $4.95 per month if you sign up for a yearly plan, and $7.95 a month if you choose the monthly plan. Now, with this starter subscription, eBay will provide us with 250 free listings per month, and all listings that we list over that amount will actually be charged at 30 cents per listing. Now, let's say that you have exceeded your monthly limit of 250 listings. This is the calculation you should be doing. So if your current subscription is $7.95 a month for 250 listings, with a fee of 30 cents each per additional listing, let's look at the next plan up, the basic store subscription. Now, this costs $27.95 a month. Now, to see if it's worth upgrading, divide the $20 difference between the plans by 30 cents, which is the cost per extra listing. Now, this should give you about 66 listings. This means that if you have more than 316 active listings, 250 plus 66, it makes financial sense to switch to the basic plan to start saving money. So when you reach 316 listings, it's a clear sign to consider upgrading. With the basic plan, you can add to your store up to 1,000 listings, all for the same price you'd be paying for just 316 listings on the starter plan. Guys, if you're liking this video so far and you're excited to step up your eBay game, well, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any tips and strategies for boosting your online sales. And if you're ready to dive deeper, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to upgrade your eBay product research and base your product selection on data, you can subscribe to Zeek Analytics for only $1 for the first week. Okay, so let's get you set up with the best eBay store for your needs. Now let's continue with the next store plan. The basic plan is a great choice for small but growing sellers who list items more regularly and want to expand their presence on eBay without a significant upfront investment. It's ideal for sellers who want to list a moderate number of items each month, enjoy more free listings, and benefit from a few extra seller tools. You will already be able to promote your listings, which is, like I mentioned before, fundamental when you're selling on eBay, and also have a more customizable storefront where you can organize it in a more appealing way for your customers. Here in this plan, eBay provides us with 1,000 free listings, and it only charges us an amount of 25 cents for every listing over the 1,000 already given, and reduces our insertion fee from 30 cents to 25 cents. All of this for just $21.95 with a yearly plan and $27.95 with the monthly plan. Here we have to do the same calculations as before. If your current subscription costs $27.95 a month for up to 1,000 listings, with an additional fee of 25 cents per listing over that limit, it might be worth looking at the next tier up, the premium store plan at $74.95 a month. To determine if upgrading makes sense, divide the $47 difference between the two plans by 25 cents. This calculation gives you 188 additional listings. In other words, if you have more than 1,118 active listings, upgrading to the premium store plan would start saving you money. So reaching 1,118 listings is a good indicator that it's time to consider moving to the premium plan. Now, let's say that you start getting a lot of sales. You'll want to scale your business, and that means that you'll need to start listing more products monthly. That's where you have the next plan, the premium store plan. Now, the premium plan is ideal for established sellers with a consistent inventory and higher sales volume. If you're listing items frequently and need more free listings each month, the premium plan offers 10,000 free listings, charging 10 cents for each extra listing over that amount, and also includes reduced fees, making it a great choice for mid-sized businesses looking to maximize profit. The premium plan also provides additional tools and support features, such as better analytics, advanced promotional options, and access to eBay's promoted listings. These features can help sellers stand out in a competitive marketplace and streamline their selling process as they scale up. For the premium plan, eBay charges a total value of $59.95 for the yearly plan and $74.95 for the monthly plan. Using the same calculation method as before, if you have a premium store plan and reach 12,750 active listings, it's time to consider upgrading to the anchor plan and start saving money. So we have covered a lot so far, and if this guide helped you get closer to finding the right eBay store plan, well, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on scaling your online business. And of course, drop a comment below. Let us know which plan you're considering or if you have any questions. Now, after the premium plan, we get two more plans that may be useful, like the anchor plan that charges you a subscription price of $299.95 for the yearly plan and $349.95 for the monthly plan. This plan is designed for high volume sellers and well-established businesses that list large quantities of inventory every month. Now, this plan is ideal if you're running a serious and big eBay operation and need 25,000 free listings along with the lowest possible fees per sale. With Anchor, you'll benefit from 5-cent insertion fees if you go over the 25,000 already given, making it highly cost-effective for sellers with large inventory. Here, eBay also provides us with a personal account manager to help you optimize your business and exclusive premium customer service. Of course, 25,000 is a lot, and that doesn't apply to many sellers. But it's always great for us to know what we can expect if we do get to the point in our journey. If you're on the Anchor Store plan and reach 79,000 active listings, it's a good time to consider upgrading to the Enterprise plan for potential cost savings. And if you have more than 79,000 active listings in your store, well, I'd be interested to hear more about your impressive dropshipping operation. Now, it's not over yet. We still have the enterprise plan, which costs $2,999, and of course that 95 cents a month. Here, eBay provides 100,000 free listings a month and a fee of 5 cents for every extra listing over that amount. Of course, the enterprise plan benefits huge, large-scale, high-volume sellers with massive inventories who need extensive listing allowances, the lowest possible fees, and extremely dedicated support to deal with their massive inventory. Now, choosing the right eBay store plan can make a huge difference in your selling journey, whether you're a casual seller or managing a large-scale business. From no subscription to the high-tier enterprise plan, each option offers different levels of support, listing allowances, and fee savings. So, by aligning your store choice with your goals and listing volume, you can optimize costs, boost visibility, and grow your eBay business more effectively. And now that you know the ins and outs, you're ready to choose the plan that best fits your needs and take your eBay sales to the next level. It was all for the video, guys. I wish you good sales and see you next time.